our local farmers develop would mean less money spent on foreign chickens, more local people employed, and more money into our economy. It's a goal that Standard Bank is determined to help local farmers achieve. It's a quiet morning in the Free State as Catherine Patsone greets the day shift on her chicken farm. Catherine has no matric, but she does have lots of passion and experience and is determined to become a successful commercial farmer.
I do like so much to have my own business because I want to become an entrepreneur, successful businesswoman. Since I was young, I grew up in a family that have chickens. That's where I found myself doing farming with chickens. We buy a day-old chickens. We feed them for 6 weeks. For 2 weeks, we put them on starter, then another 2 weeks for grower, then another 2 weeks for finisher. Then they are ready for the market. Our chickens don't go to the holiday. They don't have a Christmas. We have to be here all the time. They need to be babysitted 24/7.
Catherine is a member of a cluster of poultry farmers around Welkom. 2 years ago, farmer David Mputi and Standard Bank, working through SA Agri Academy, helped 13 small-scale poultry farmers cluster together to lower costs and improve business skills and productivity.
When David came, I was excited after he explained to me what is going to happen. We do share ideas. Decision making, we make them, all of us. There is no one who's responsible for doing the decisions. We share everything.
I've got over 12 years in the poultry industry. So when this issue of the cluster came along, then I know exactly who to approach and who to talk to. My responsibilities as a cluster development agency is to organize the farmers to support one another so that they can produce their product and send them to the market. The various aspects of poultry we got in this cluster is we've got the maize farmers, the chicken growers, the people who are doing eggs, we've got the abattoir. We also got the cluster management committee.
A cluster is a group of farms which are operating in a given area and who are into one product. We provide training in market access, finances, bookkeeping, and all aspects that involve day-to-day running of a farm. We also assist farmers in identifying markets for their products.
We need to make farming an attractive topic to engage around. I mean, when people think of farming, they don't think of it as a fancy or glamorous career. Farming is viable, it's a profitable space, and working with these farmers to prove that farming is profitable, it's a very important intervention.
The training that I got on SA Agri Academy, it was a marketing development. It did help us a lot because we used to use the duplicate to do the invoicing. So right now we have moved from the old fashion to the new criteria in technology. We are using laptop to do our accounts.
Since we have training, things have improved a lot. Everybody is starting to trust one another, and we are also starting to understand the vision of the cluster and the importance of working together so that we can participate also in the mainstream economy of our country.
Right now, we don't have a formal market. We are selling in location. Our problem of selling our chickens in formal market is the number. We have only 6,000 capacity and they need more than that. It's where the cluster comes in. We are negotiating with the other projects or to join our product together so that we could be able to deliver the number that the formal market needs.
Women also are very shrewd entrepreneurs. They are coming into the understanding of the financial side of the business, and it makes them an important part of this operation of producing the food that we need.
There is a lot of imports of broilers from other countries, yet we actually have got potential to produce on our own. So it is high time that our farmers really, especially the small-scale farmers, actually put on the roadmap so that they also play a part in the economy.
The strategy that we have is taking us places. Our goal and mission here is to see us grow, create jobs, reduce the rate of poverty. I want to do farming for the rest of my life. It's going to be a legacy to our kids.
The best way to support our farmers is to buy local produce that they grow. So use your buying power to make a difference and only buy food grown at home, where local is really lekker.